Good evening, everybody. My name is Adelaide Kanaiza, and I'm here with good news for you. Tonight, we're talking about the benefits of using message applications when you're trying to reach out to your clients in digital businesses. Now, when you're having accounts in one or severally widely used message applications, it is a must, which is a must for any business. Then it is one of the first and easiest steps to make or to take when you are digitalizing your business. Now, many people would wonder, like, how or what are these message applications? When I'm talking about message applications, I'm talking about uh, WhatsApp Messenger. I'm talking about Facebook Messenger. I'm talking about Telegram, among any other message applications. Here, we are going to look at the advantages or the benefits of using message applications while you're handling your business or while you're taking care of your business. The first one, we have the direct customer interaction. When I'm talking about direct customer interaction, I want you to put in mind, or I want you to visualize a restaurant which can use message application account to send its menus, leaflets, promotions, coupons, sales adverts, and any other piece of information to regular clients. Now, these clients are able to message or call to inquire about the working hours, prices, and any other information related to the restaurant. They can also complain about a bad service using the same way or using the same method. The company can also immediately take care of any problem, maybe, for example, by offering a discount or a free item to compensate for any bad experience. That way, you'll have realized that the client and the company are in constant communication. Is that okay? Now, one other thing that we're going to talk about is free access from both buyers and sellers. Now, you understand that most message applications don't cost anything to the client and or to the business. The business can also sign up with a business account, which offers added capabilities and is sometimes free. Now, for example, when you're using WhatsApp Business, it is free and offers various marketing tools. Now, on WhatsApp Business, you'll be able to showcase pictures of your products. You'll be able to share a catalog. You'll be able to do anything, share anything related to your product or service in your account page. And then you're also able to send an automatic message. In this case, I'm talking about an automatic welcome message to anybody who is conversant with you. Is that clear? Another thing that we are going to talk about is that these chatbots or these automations assist sellers. When Now, for example, let's go back to the restaurant example that I had used before. You can program a chatbot to do things that don't demand much human interactions. An example is like taking orders. You're able to take orders from the menu, automatically responding to clients' standard queries like, can I see your menu? What are your opening hours? Sending out customer messages about new menus, etc. Now, to build one, you can choose a platform and maybe WhatsApp Business, set up replies, then implement it on your WhatsApp. That way, you'll be able to get to your clients personalized with your personalized messages and all that. The biggest value added by message applications is accessibility. Now, data shows that a staggering 92.3% of the 5.1 billion global internet users access the internet via mobile devices. Now, that's according to the Digital 2023 Global Overview Report. And most mobile phones or tablets have at least one message application. Most probably that would be WhatsApp. Now, this means that you're giving your business potential access to a gigantic customer base. at virtually no cost. And you can imagine your business. Now, there are free accounts which a business should establish and make sure that they have key message applications used in their specific country. You might have WhatsApp, Facebook Messenger, WeChat, Telegram, Viber, Signal, Snapchat, and all that. Now, you have to also make sure that when you're setting up one, you need to observe the traffic. Your traffic observation time frame should take between 2 to 3 months to observe the amount of traffic, clients, and popularity of each account. You will also need to understand that the business should focus itself on its effort on the message applications. Now, your effort on your message applications will be what matters and will be what will bring the most clients and engagement. Your business should promote these communication channels via other marketing channels that you're going to use in life. Now, businesses can use message applications for contacting clients or prospects, marketing, sales, customer service, for example, through customer build chatbots, like we've said, shipping and delivery, making and collecting payments, among many other things. So, customize your chatbot or customize your message app to what really make it to what really works for your business. Don't just wake up in the morning and do something that is not related to your business, and then at the end of the day you want to see what you want to see changes. They won't come that easily. So chatbots are custom designed softwares that use algorithms to imitate interaction with a human. Oh, with a human nature. It is much easier than keeping a human doing similar tasks, and it's always available 24/7. So a chatbot can handle a variety of standard requests from customers, such as sending links to product catalogs, such as keeping up to date pricing information, etc. Maybe in non-standard situations, chatbots can alert human operators to take over customer interaction that a chatbot cannot process. Chatbots are very affordable and sometimes very free, and many are designed to be used in message applications, websites, or both. That's clear. You can do your own research and find a chatbot that's able to work for you. That is it. I guess we're interacting. I guess you're listening to me. I guess you're following up and all that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel so that you will be notified of anything coming up now, sooner or later. Let's continue. Just in case you have any question, feel free to reach out. Feel free to talk to me. Feel free to reach my DM. I'm here for you. And then I'll be working the journey with you. Now, let's look at something we call a website. What's a website to you? What do you understand by the term of website? What comes to your mind when you are told to go and search on such and such a website? That's what I want us to talk about. Now, a website is a group of internet pages that have the same addresses and that are put together by the same organization or company. I let you understand that. For example, Women in Digital Business has a website. So, why do you think businesses should have? Why do you think businesses should have a website? Is it because it's a marketing tool? Is it because it's a way to attract new customers? Or is it because it is required by the law? So why do you think a business needs uh, a business needs a website? It is because It is a marketing tool. Are we together? Are you following me? Like I was saying, most websites provide information about a business and its product and are a common way of selling online. So some purposes of the websites of any website are as follows. It is a very important, most obvious digital presence. People will be streaming into your website. It is a place where a business can sell its products or services. It is a place that reflects the brand's identity. It can be the focus of the company's marketing efforts and attracts clients when properly linked and advertised in social media accounts. It is powerful, like I would say, it is a powerful tool to build and reinforce the business. It is a place to capture new and retain existing customers, as it is the most or the first go to place for customers searching for your product. Now, websites require more knowledge and resources to be designed, set up, and properly maintained than social media platforms. So you can set up a one learner page or a landing page, or you might need to employ somebody to create a website for you. What's a landing page? Somebody may ask me, somebody may want to know. A landing page is most often a marketing tool specifically designed to feature product, run a marketing campaign, and summarize all the information about a business. It, it works well in short term. As the business matures, then you, as the business entrepreneur, you should consider transitioning to a multi-page website as part of the business structure, product range, and complexity of information will require a new dedicated page. Therefore, you may have to consider creating a website for your business in future. That is, you can start with a what, a landing page, and then create a website. Now let's look at the components of or what or the requirements of a website. Before we do anything in regards to building a website, let's start by answering this short question. What is a domain? Now, a domain is a unique name of an organization, or like it's a very unique name for an organization's website on the web. It is composed of a second level and a top level domain as follows. Your second level should be as close as possible to the name of your business, and you can select between those that are still available for registration with a domain name registrar, such as Google Domains. You will then have to pay an annual fee to keep your domain name. On the other hand, you will also require to choose the top level. Now, for the top level, you can go for one that specifies the country where your business is from. For example, .bi for Burundi, .tv for Tuvalu, .no for Norway, .pk for Pakistan, or for a generic one showing the type of the organization. .org for generic organization, .biz for generic business, .net for company, .com as a catch-all, etc. 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 Even if you start small, it's good to secure your business name across top level domains so that your business has more of a chance to be recognized and found. While the domain name is the address of your business on the internet, hosting services are physical servers where the website's information is stored, which allows the website to be present on the internet. If the domain name register doesn't offer hosting services, you have to choose a different company to host your website. So ensure that you're choosing the right company for you. Do more research and all that. Now, Building a building a website. You can build a website using a landing page, or a one pager. A landing page and one pager, that's one and the same thing. Now you need to use a website building service. They're both easy to set up and are good option for startups or very small businesses making their first steps. Okay. The main difference lies in the content. When you're building a landing page, your website will only have one page with all information in it. If you use a website building services, you will have to choose the structure of your business or the structure of your website and what information goes there. You will also need to do a variety of steps to follow a variety of steps before your website comes into existing. You need to find the landing page service provider, or maybe WordPress, GoDaddy, Wix, Weebly, Instapage, and all that. Then you will have to set up an account on it. After that, you will have to register a new domain or use your existing domain. Then later on, you will need to link the domain name to the page and configure it to work with the page. In case of doubts on how you do it, you can do your own research and read more about it, about linking a domain name to the page and configuring it. Is that clear? You will also need to choose one of the templates that suits your services. And if you're building a landing page, make sure that you decide what information you want to add and where. If you're building a website, decide and set up main pages, home page, header, and menu. Make sure that these things are aligning well with whatever you're trying to set up. Don't just go throwing things here, there, and all over. Then you also need to add all the company products and contact information to the landing page. And finally, you need to publish the landing page or the website. Are we together? Now, both these options are very important and they guarantee you that you will have a simple and a visually appealing design, a simple structure, templates to follow, and a cloud based website without the need to have your own servers. A self hosted website is a step up from a website building services. There's a main difference about who maintains the hosting service between the two. So there's the self hosted and the one that you're going to pay for it. Now, building and running a self hosted website is a more complex task that has to take account very important things. You're going to check about the hosting, the configuration, level of customization, professional designers, and all that. So to build a self-hosted website, the it is more complex because you'll be doing this on your own. So you need to find a web designer or a web development company. Then you need to explain what the business needs and draft the terms of reference. You will also need to describe all the needs with their help. Then you need to find a hosting company that offers hosting based on the web designer's instruction. You will then have to set up an account with them, uh, then register a new domain or use your existing domain. You will also have to You'll also need to have a web developers formatting the website structure, maybe homepage, header, menu, and all that. Then you will also need to have your website built, designed, and preferably maintained, which will also be using a lot of your money. Link the domain name to the page and configure it to work with the website. We've already talked about that. And then add your company products, price, contact information, among others, the relevant pages. Finally, you'll need to have your website published. And here we are, your website is ready for use. Are we together? Are we together? Are you grasping something? Are you getting something? Are you here with me? Uh, However, even the simplest website adds to the promotion of business, and it can be done for free. If you set up a hosted version of a WordPress website, later on you can upgrade to the paid tiers of the same service, which offer more functions. So while you're trying to set up your business, focus on the key social media platforms. Sign up for and maintaining all key social media platforms. You will also need to make sure that your presence in social media platforms is felt. And then you will also have to make sure that you are using the correct uh, keywords for your business. Are we together? Now, by show of hands, I would love us to. I would like to know how many people are enjoying these lessons, how many people are having fun, how many people are doing all this, and how many people want us to end the class. For those that for everybody that is trying to put this business into whatever they're learning into practice, I want to say thank you very much. Keep it up, and let's do it bigger and best. Sorry. So let's talk about digital advertising. There are dozens of types of different digital advertising today. Some are more obsolete and losing popularity, like banner ads, while others are getting a rapid growth, like TikTok ads. Now, in general, business that want to grow through digital advertising has to go through some costs, some processes. Yeah, some processes. Now, if you're doing paid ads, have local paid ads on such engines so that if someone Googles or types the product or the service you offer, your business appears first as a sponsored link. Now, when you need to have a sponsored is such when you need to have this ads, you should first decide the locations where the ads will appear, then the keywords that will make your ad appear. You should choose if ad should appear with the exact amount or with a broader match. Is that clear? Now, what is content marketing? Remember, we are still talking about online presence and grabbing online presence, making sure that we are still sticking to online presence, making sure that we are working on online presence. Now, to contribute to promote your products or service, you can use blog posts, infographics, or articles in your website and social media accounts. Now, that is what we are calling it as that is what we are referring as content marketing. It is not easy for businesses to make sure that the right people see whatever they are marketing. But if your website content is of quality, relevance, and value to the customers, then these chances increase. It is very important that a lot of people see your content. The more people search for information and interact with the content, the more often it is shown to us and seen by others. This is a feedback loop between relevance, quality, and visibility of content. Now, to improve chances that that your content is seen through search engines, you should invest in optimization techniques such as SEO and stand out from the competition. SEO is search engine optimization. It consists of a set of techniques that aim to improve the position of a website and each of the pages within it in search engines such as Google. One of the main advantages of SEO strategies is that its implementation doesn't require a specialized agency. Many actions can be taken by the person responsible for the company's organization. Make sure you're using the right keywords for your business. For that, you should think about how the searchers or how the users will search for the product. And then you need to invest in a detailed, how do I call it? A detailed product description for the products you offer using the keywords you chose. Avoid using supplier standards or supplier descriptions. Your customer might contact your supplier instead of contacting you. Then another thing you should consider is use the product name in the title and in the page. Then last but not least, fill in the product description. It is the text that appears in the Google search results. Then highlight keywords in bold. Google understands that what is in bold or highlighted is very relevant. Then insert space for customer opinion and evaluation and have a lot of good experience to be more visible. Finally, optimize your website so that it loads quickly. This helps search engines put the website at the top. Are we together? Now, I hereby come to the end of this topic, but before I completely end it, I want us to finally talk about creating good visual content. And this one will be a reference to TikTok and Instagram. Now, the best scenario case is where you put your picture to promote your business, either taken by you or by a professional photographer. You can also choose to buy stock photos online. Now, when you're using stock photos, make sure you can legally do so. Always check the legal rights of the image. Otherwise, you might find yourself in trouble. Are we together? Invest in a good camera to take your photos. Make sure that you're using a professional to get the professional photos. Use a brand book or document that describes the specific colors, fonts, and logos that the brand uses. And then make sure that you are creating your business logo, advertisement, and social media posts while keeping consistency. Make sure you're very consistent. Don't sleep on work. Okay. After there, I wish to come to the end of the session. And once again, we meet here, same place, same time. Thank you very much, and God bless you all. Bye.